My name is Dritan, also known as Dealer Realtor. I'm a professional real estate agent with KW Central and In-Net Real Estate Group. All of my jobs, my previous jobs, have always been customer service oriented, but I did not find the fulfillment on those. So when I did come across real estate, which I was referred to from a friend of mine to give it a shot, I was a little hesitant at first because I thought real estate was more of a salesperson job. And I personally always hated salesperson, right? I always hated salespeople because I thought they're just gonna follow me around when I go to the store and try to sell me something, right? But when I got into real estate, I did it every day. I found out that it's actually not the same thing at all. It's completely different. It's more about the customer. It's not about what do I get, it's about the outcome. What do they get and how do they feel? And there's no such thing as a commission good enough compared to the feeling you get when someone purchases their first home and they're like, their eyes are watering and they're just so excited because that's one of the biggest moves in their lives. A first transaction or first home that I helped my clients purchase was actually from an ex-coworker. I used to work with them, and they saw that I was involved in the real estate industry and the real estate business. And I gotta say, their first words were, "I remember that you used to work really hard at that restaurant we used to work with, and I thought I'd give you a shot because I'm pretty sure you kept that work ethic." I joined KW Central. I joined KW at first because their vision statement is pretty much what I go by every single day, which is God, family, business. And when I found a team that does have the same values, we had an instant connection. I've built a lot of great relationships with the team, and when I saw how big they were getting and the growth that this team could provide for me, I said, why not get on board?